Hello traders, Gary Wagner here just after 12:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York. It is Tuesday, 11th day of January 2020, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We had some moderate to strong downside pressure in gold today. We'll talk about the exact price in a second, but this is due to the fact that there seems to be a slowing down of the coronavirus outbreak right now, that according to Chinese officials. However, the World Health Organization does not agree with the numbers that are coming out of China. So we might see a turnaround, but at least for today, we did see a softening in the market, and that was due to the belief that the outbreak is beginning to diminish in terms of concern. Let's take a look at the price board and then go right to our charts. Traders, we did see gold close substantially lower today, down $8.30, currently at $1571.20, net decline of just over 0.5%. A mixed bag because we saw silver close lower, almost a full percentage point, 17 cents lower at $17.62, while platinum and palladium closed higher, $7 gain in platinum at $973.90, and palladium about 0.7%, $15.70 rise, $22.65.50, and that was all with slight tailwinds from a weaker U.S. dollar. Traders, we are looking at a daily chart. Of course, this daily chart represents April gold. We've talked about a critical area. It's drawn by this trend line right here. I've just put it up in green. It was absolutely a support line as the market moved higher, but we can see that when it spilled back through, it is now a resistance line. Now, we talked about the fact that yesterday we saw the market hit a high that was directly at the top of that particular area. In other words, this small green candle right here. Today, of course, we had the market go lower. It is drifting lower. Currently, our target is got to be 1549. I think that's the first area that we want to look at. If it cannot hold that area and continues to slide, we could see it go as low as 1520. Traders, if you recall from the last couple of days, we have been supplementing the view that we get from our daily charts to that of more of an intraday chart. We're looking at 480-minute chart. Represents roughly 8 hours in time. Our current count looks something like this. The belief is that we hit our wave 3. This is a minor count, of course, and that came in at roughly 1613. Then we had a basic A, B, C correction. We completed our level 4 correction move and are now in a wave 5. However, that is going to now be subdivided again into 5 components, and then those 5 components into 5 more components in terms of the impulse side. And what that means is that as we look at this chart, what we're seeing is as follows. We see basically a wave 1, a wave 2. As I said yesterday, we have our 3, our 4, and we're now in our 5th wave. Most likely, we will see some sort of lower pricing in the market as we get some sort of a correction. And as I said, we have various price points that we could see the correction go to. But my belief is that we'll probably end up with something that is above 1550. But my recommendation for right now is to maintain your current neutral stance with no active trades in gold or silver. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.